Hi guys, welcome back to Daya Daily. Today I am doing a Beauty and the Beast, a different beauty, a sleeping beauty. If you like this video, give this a big thumbs up and watch till the end to see the full costume. I love Sleeping Beauty. She's so pretty and her makeup is really easy. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Woo, 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 sleep. So I'm gonna start by putting this cat headband on. Cause I hate when my hair gets in the way when I am doing my makeup. Perfect. And now I'm gonna put some lipstick on. There's this regular side. And there's this hard-eyed side. And I like this one, even though it's Belle, but it's pink. Smells good. Got it all. So I already put my foundation on and my powder. Now I'm going to start on the eyeshadow. This is a palette from BH Cosmetics. It's a really pretty palette. So I'm going to be using these three colors. This one, and this one. So I'm going to start with this lighter color. I'm going to use this fluffy brush. I'm gonna take this on. And I'm using Happy right here. So once you keep it on the outer corner, you can just use a different fluffy brush and then you can just blend those two colors together. In my last video, I told you guys to comment down below some questions, and here are some questions that I'm going to answer. The first one is from Alice Harding. Her question is, what is your favorite look you have done? My favorite look is Addison from Zombies. It's coming out. Thanks for asking that question, Alice. That's a good one. Next question is from Potato the Unicorn. Did they dress a potato into a unicorn? Did you? That's a funny name. I like it. If that's your real name, awesome. Their question is, what's my favorite holiday movie? The Christmas Orange is my favorite. It's a story, but I don't know if it's a movie or not. If it is, comment down below. If it's not, comment down below. Last question for the day is from Austin Ride 1. My uncle's name is Austin. His question is, what is your favorite animal? Can I say two? My two are kitties and doggies. Thanks for the question, Austin Ride 1. If you want to be featured in my videos, comment down below. And I might answer it in a video. Now, I'm adding this color bold. Where's it? Using this color bold, I'm going to put it just right here. That's going to give us the Aurora cat eye look. Guys, we're going to be moving into a new house soon. So comment down below if you want me to do a room decoration and a house tour of the whole house. Now I'm going to start on my eyebrows. Ready? And I got to get close. You know me, guys. I'm sorry if you can't see, I'll show you in just a second. I'm using a brush and a gel liner because that other one didn't work very well. There's my wing. And now I'm going to put my mascara. Now lashes on. These are the Ariel Demi Wisples, and I just cut them in half. Now we're gonna do the brows. Hers are kind of arched, so my mom is gonna help me. Now I'm gonna do my highlight. This is from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna do my lips, so I'm using this one first. I'm doing a darker pink on the outer parts, and I'm using this lighter pink on the, like the middle. Now it's time for the costume. I already have blonde hair, so here's what it looks like with my real hair, but I have a wig, so if you guys that don't have blonde hair, here's a wig what it looks like. This is like her day one that has this black headband and the curls at the bottom. I got this crown off of Etsy. Yeah, it doesn't fall off. I'm just gonna use my hair since it kind of looks like Aurora's. A lot of you guys have been requesting this video, so I did it for ya. I hope you guys like the Sleeping Beauty look. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys, bye.